Hi everyone! Welcome back to Discovery. And for today, I am very excited because I will be reacting, or should I say, I will try not to react to Casual Chuck's video of SB19 Try Not to React Challenge 2025. Okay, I'm pretty sure maraming lalabas dito na something dangerous. So, I will try my best not to react, but I don't know. I don't think I can do it. Okay. Whew. Go.
What's the meaning of this? Sino yan? Paano naman ako pagkatapos ng lahat? Dapat ito pinapanood mo eh. O, diba? Ang pogi.
Hindi pa naman start, no?
You get 5 lives. You lose 1 when you react. Can you survive? Good luck!
Oh my gosh, Josh. Is that is that counted? Napigilan ko naman eh. Oh my gosh. Wala na. Suko na ako kay Josh pa lang, Diyos ko. I don't think I will survive this video. Grabe, ang laki ng katawan na niya talaga ngayon. Mamuscle siya dati pa lang. Kasi siya yung hubadero nga ng SB19, di ba? But right now, he's really ripped. Like, malaki talaga yung muscle niya. Oh, tapos na si Josh. Just na tayo. Oh my God. You know what? It's just about, just the context. Grabe naman yun. Si Justin yung una ko naging bias. Twenty 2020 bias ko yan si Justin. Cuties. What the? Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh. What is that? Oh my god. That's so aggressive, drop. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm dead at this point. Sana kayo rin. Cutie talaga. Nakakainis. Pablo. You know what? Yung biases ko. Katulad ng sabi ko, first, 2020 nung na-discover ko yung SB19, it was Justin. Siya talaga yung nagpa-hook sa akin sa SB19. And then Ken, and then Pablo. Hindi sila bias kasi at this point mahalima na ako o T5 na talaga ako. Pero there are years, may mga moments talaga na mas naaano yung attention ko sa isang member. Pero OT5 ako. Katulad ng sabi ko ng 2020 si Ja, 2021 si Ken, 2023 si Pablo. And then in 2024, tsaka ako una kay Stel and Josh nung solos nila. Sabi naman yan, Pablo. Huwag ko akong titigan ng ganyan. What a transition! What's that? What the fuck is that? My god. So beautiful. Just a beautiful man. He is. Super cute. Si Pablo yung pwede mo maging kuya, pero pwede mo ring maging asawa. Oh my gosh. Na si Bebo. Grabe ba, di ba? Oo. Ah. What the fuck? No, please, no. Grabe naman talaga.
Maybe we can dance the night away. It's what I wanna do now. I hope that you can stay right here with me.
Ito talaga yung pretty boy. Pretty boy talaga yan, no?
Think I've got
Hubadero na din to si Gistel eh. Kasi nag-jack up talaga siya eh. Grabe din talaga yung ginanda ng katawan niya talaga. Oh, tingnan mo, look at that. Grabe. Nung fast zone, grabe yung katawan niya dun. Cute. Pretty boy talaga. Oh, I feel uncomfortable. Ako na yung gumaganon eh. Hindi ko na kaya. Ito pa ang isang gwapo. Hi, Ken. Iba yung gwapo niya eh. Maangas. But cute at the same time. You know yun? Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. What the? You know what? Most of this napanood na naman natin sa mga fan cams. Pero iba talaga kapag compilation with the background music and then i-slow mo pa niya yung casual siya. Look at that! It's so cute! Look at that. Short-haired blonde Ken. Grabe. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Of course, kapag 18 ka talaga, tanggapin mo na. Just accept it. Matatalo ka dito sa challenge na to. And I just accepted it. Few seconds nung lumabas si Josh, huminga na lang ako ng malalim and said to myself, hindi ko to kaya, hindi ko to kakayanin. So, sorry po. Sorry po. Hindi ko po kinaya yung try not to react challenge. And I'm sure a lot of us can relate to that. Natalo talaga tayo. And that's okay. That's okay. Okay lang yan. Kasi nabusog naman yung mata natin and na-express natin yung nararamdaman natin. That's the important part of it. Kaya, thank you. Thank you for checking it out again with me. And if you'd like other reactions, you can check out my channel. Meron ako just a few reactions there. If you want me to react to something new, a P-pop group or someone else, let me know. I would really like to discover a few more P-pop groups and groups in general. Kahit hindi sila P-pop, let me know. Yun lang naman. And thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.